He started with just $87 in his bank account. No plan, no connections, no one believing he could make it, just a small room and a bigger problem called life. Every day looked the same. Wake up, work, survive, repeat. And deep down, he knew this wasn't living. Then one night, something changed. He wasn't looking for motivation, but he found it anyway. A simple idea hit him. What if I stop trading time for money and start building something instead? That question changed everything. At first, nothing happened. Zero results, zero progress, zero signs of success. But he didn't stop. Night after night, he learned. Failed, adjusted, tried again. And slowly, the first $100 came in. Then 500. Then 1,000. That's when it stopped being luck and started becoming a system. He didn't just earn money anymore, he understood it. He reinvested everything. He scaled everything. He repeated everything that worked. And it started growing faster than he ever imagined. 1,000 became 10,000. 10,000 became 100,000. And one day, he realized something shocking. He wasn't surviving anymore. He was building wealth. The rooms got brighter. The decisions got bigger. The risks got smarter. And the world started treating him differently. At $10 million, money wasn't exciting anymore. It was just a tool, a language, a responsibility. And at 100 million, everything changed again. But this time, not on the outside, on the inside. Because he finally understood the truth most people never learn. It was never about luck. It was about what you do when nobody is watching.